Hello and welcome to BitBoy Crypto. I am your host, BitBoy. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing from the VIP box that I was sent from World CryptoCon. Really looking excited to this conference. It's going to be so awesome. All of the influencers, or so many influencers, are going to be there. A lot of my friends are going to be there, as I call them, the crypto bros. You may call them crypto fam, whatever it is. I'm so pumped to go. There's going to be some really good speakers. Charlie Shrim, Charlie Lee, also Brock Pierce, so many people. Of course, Brock Pierce isn't my favorite, but of course he has a reputable name, or maybe not reputable. He's a big name anyways. But so there's going to be so many people there. I'm so excited to seeing everything that's going to unfold there. So they sent me a VIP box, and you can actually get one of these boxes yourself if you are one of the first 3,000 people that do go ahead and purchase tickets for the event. You can get the link below in the video description, and it'll save you $325. Right now the price is $899, but it's going to go up to $1,499. But with my code, you can save $325, and I don't make any money off of that. They got some different tiers where I could have given you guys a code where I make some money off of it and different stuff. I don't care about any of that. I just want to see you guys out there. So use that code as the biggest discount you can find to get tickets. So when you take $325 off of $899, it becomes a little more affordable for a freaking sweet week in Vegas or a few days, whatever it is. But before we do the unboxing, make sure you are a subscriber to the channel. We call it the Bit Squad. All you got to do, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and you're in. And when you do, you have the chance to win $150 along with 2 shirts, $150 in Bitcoin along with 2 shirts from my merch store. You can check out the full description down below. Also, if you guys have not checked out my Freaky Friday parody, Flipnin' Friday, please do that. I'll put the link up here or up here. I'll put it up somewhere above my head. Really want you guys to check this out. I put a lot of work into this video, got a lot of good responses, but let's get it some more views. Let's go ahead, let's put some comments, some likes on there, and let's see if we can make this one go viral. So big shout out to the Bit Squad and all your help. So, okay guys, here it is. I got my Ultra VIP box right here. As you guys can see, it has my name on it. I'm not sure if I'll be able to use my green screen behind me or not yet. I'll have to see if it makes this see-through. But for right now, this is the cover. This is the back. So it's pretty sweet. This is my personalized invitation. So all I got to do is slide this off, okay? Now we have this World CryptoCon Experience Your Future Now. So let's go ahead and let's open it up here. I feel like it's story time. Here we go. Let's check out the little nursery rhyme. Boom! Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. I have no idea what's in either one of these sides here. So let's do this. Let's pull out this side first. We'll look at this. It's a book. Let's see what the book says. I doubt it's Mother Goose. So World CryptoCon. All right. Welcome to Las Vegas. Let me see what's in here. They've set out to create something unique, which is cool. Special guest MCs from Bad Crypto Podcast. If you follow them on Twitter, they'll probably follow you back. Okay. Everyone in this ecosystem is working towards the same goal, mass adoption. So this is just kind of a book about what they're aiming to do. Here's some of the speakers right here. They've got 3 of the people there. Crypto Ween. So this is something I'm really excited about. I hope that's not backwards for you guys. Which is the Crypto Ween with Steve Aoki. You guys know, party scene isn't my scene, but I've been kind of liking being involved in it because, I don't drink or party or any of that stuff, but it's fun to watch people do it, I guess you could say. So kick off World CryptoCon 2018 with our first annual Crypto Ween party at Omnia Nightclub inside of Caesar's Palace, or Caesar's Place. I think that's supposed to say Caesar's Palace. This is going to be one epic Halloween costume party, a little freaky, a little scary, a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to being in Las Vegas on Halloween. So Halloween is actually my son's birthday. He'll be 7. I worked out a deal with him where I'm taking him to Pittsburgh for the Falcons-Steelers game in a couple weeks. And then I'm taking him to Jacksonville for the University of Georgia versus University of Florida game. Used to be called the world's biggest cocktail party. I don't know what they call it now. But worked out a deal where I could do those and be gone the night of Halloween. So I would like to be at home with my kids, but I am going to really like this experience of going to be in Las Vegas on Halloween. I think it's going to be absolutely nuts. So that's the party. Then they have this. They have a hackathon, Ultra VIP. As an Ultra VIP guest, you can enjoy all of the finer things, the cocktail parties, which once again, I'll just watch. Blockchain e-racing. What is this? What's better than flying down the racetrack at 210 miles per hour in a SimTech Pro simulator, competing for thousands of dollars in prize money? Guys, I drive a sports car. I think I might be able to win this. So, and it's not a Lambo. A lot of you guys know I have a Hemi. I have a Challenger. So my plan was when I sold my house to sell the car and then put all the money in for crypto, but I'm finding it might be really hard for me to part with it because I really do love that car so much. But maybe if I win the cash and prizes here, I can trade up to a Lambo, which would be pretty cool. So then we have World of Mining. How do you get the biggest players in mining in one room at the same time? Okay, guys, I'm not a miner. You guys know that. So I'm not really that interested in it. Blockchain poker tournament. I'm really disappointed. Sorry, guys. That's a phone call. Let's just pretend like that didn't happen. I usually turn off my notifications, but now they're turned off. Okay, so blockchain poker tournament. I really wanted to be in this, but it's actually starting on the 30th before I am going to get out there. So pretty disappointed about that. Or maybe it's on whatever it is, it's before I get out there. I'm getting out there about 3 o'clock on Halloween. So enterprise and blockchain, multiple enterprise companies will be making announcements. Maybe we'll get that consensus pump we never got. Live art with Visa. I don't think it's Visa. We hate Visa. Okay, watch art come to life with this one-of-a-kind live art experience by Vesa. Art meets crypto. You guys may not know this. I'm actually an artist. I make music videos and I rap. And I make cool little comic characters. Somebody gave a shout out to some of the biggest crypto artists and they left me off. Is it because I'm kind of a joke? You know, I'm kind of a joke. All my stuff's funny, so it's not art. Whatever. That's okay. I never thought I would be one to begin with. So, all right, here we go. Then, oh my gosh. Did they leave me off of here? YouTube creator meet and greet. And I do not see BitBoy anywhere on here. Is that Chico Crypto right there? Is that Chico? Is that Chico? Is Chico going to be in Las Vegas? If he is, I'm going to tell him I want to fight him. I'm right there on the spot. I'm excited about that if he's going to be there. Man, that really gets me pumped. So this is actually the most fun thing I could think of is meeting Chico Crypto in real life and telling him how much I want to fight him. Sanctioned, of course. Not street fight. It's got to be sanctioned. If we're going to do it, we're going to do it right. So I'll see if he's interested. When he sees me in person, I don't know. Maybe he'll be intimidated. I don't know. Maybe not. He's a skinny dude. But he's young. He's got youth on me, right? I mean, what? The kid's, 18? He may be a little older than that. He acts a little younger. But anyways. All right. Mega crypto party. So WCC is taking over the mezzanine at Jewel inside Aria. So that'll be fun. Until 3 a.m. I got a feeling I'm not going to be getting a little sleep. But the advantage I have is not being hungover over a lot of the other people. So I will be able to get up in the morning. As you guys know, I make videos like 25 hours a day. So I'll be fine. University Row. Many universities are going to be talking about their blockchain projects. Interested to see if Stanford will be there, who is the #1 blockchain university. Oh, blockchain jam session. Sounds like the last thing in the world I want to be a part of. So, yeah, I'm not big on the live guitar music. I'm more of a hip-hop guy. So, jam session. There's going to be a lot of fish people that weekend. I don't know if you know that. Crypto Kindness Charity Pool Party. Okay. I can dig it. I can do that. That's on November 3rd. Token Tank Live. So this will be interesting. Do you have what it takes to jump in the Token Tank Live? Ready to share your project. Monster Security Token event. That'll be cool to learn more about security tokens. Here is a map of what it's going to look like. So that is one side of it. Let's pull out this other one. I really hope Chico's really going to be there and it's not just they picked random creators to be on there. So, okay, so this is my Ultra VIP. Oh, look at this. Oh, okay, well, I got a sticker. Okay. I got a sticker, so I'll put that on something. Love getting the stickers. I've got some BitBoy stickers. I might bring them for you guys. Oops, yes, I did just pick something up with my toe. Pretty skilled. Okay, so this is Ultra VIP. I got 2 of these. So I got this little thing here. Okay, and then I got this part. Am I dumb that I don't know how to use this? This looks like a little bow tie or something. I don't know what this is. Don't know what that side is, guys. But, okay, so anyways, maybe it's an extension if you have a fat neck. I'm going to say that's probably what it is. So this is my Ultra VIP invitation right there, BitBoy Crypto, as you can see. So I'm going to tear that little hole out. And I'm ready, guys. I'm ready to go. And you may be saying, BitBoy, you don't usually, oh, my head is not too fat. It's not too fat right here. Also, wearing Bitcoin shirt, Nintendo shirt by Encrypted Apparel. You guys can go to his website and check him out, whereencrypted.com. Yeah, guys, this is it. I'm going to be wearing this. You may be saying, BitBoy, you don't usually just straight up shill stuff to us. Well, I'm shilling the conference to you. I'm just going to tell you. I would like for you to come. If I get 10 people, then I get a free hotel room there. But, you know, I'm already prepared to pay for a hotel room, so it's not that big of a deal. But I just want you guys to be there. Like, there is a crypto movement happening right now, and a lot of people don't even see it. It's right in front of your eyes, and you don't even see it. And it's going to get to a point eventually where you're going to miss out on it. And I don't want people to miss out on this. I don't want my followers to miss out. This is not about, let me tell you what this is not about. This is not about going to a conference and paying a lot of money for it and putting money in people's pockets and going and expecting to get some kind of like incredible knowledge from a speaker there. That's not what it's about, guys. I'll tell you what it's about, for me at least. It's about meeting people. It's about meeting my subscribers, meeting my followers on Twitter, meeting other influencers, meeting people with projects and talking to them firsthand. All about networking, and it's all about having a good time. You guys see my wrap-up videos. You see how much fun we have going to these conferences, and I would love for you to be part of it. So that is why I'm going to keep showing this until the day of the conference, because I want you guys to be involved in this. I understand some of you guys live across the world. Only 24% of my audience lives in the United States. Big shout out to all my international people. I love you guys. United States people, Canada people, I love you guys too. And I would love for you guys to have the opportunity to come meet me and hang out and just be one of the crypto bros or brochachas, depending on your gender. So didn't mean to assume anyone's gender, but I'm pretty sure that we have some bros and brochachas out there. So anyways, guys, that is it. That's all I want to do is unbox that, show you a little bit about what you can expect at the conference and things like that. Really excited to be a part of it, and really looking forward to maybe getting this boxing match going. I don't know, maybe we'll do a little MGM, a little Garden Arena, little 1-2 going on. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, BitBoy out.